Top wall mirror decorating ideas. Best tips, ideas, and rules to decorate your home with mirrors. Just keep watching. Decorating with mirrors has more benefits than just giving you a place to check your outfit. A wonderfully versatile design feature, they add instant glamour and interest, while also increasing natural light and maximizing the sense of space in your home. One of the easiest decorating ideas, adding a mirror to any room in your home, can have a significant impact on the appearance of the space. However, this is only true if you know the tricks of the trade to position them correctly and choose the right weight of frame and frame design. In terms of functionality, a mirror can be used to spread natural light and to create the illusion of space. If you have a small living room, consider mounting a large mirror above a fireplace or style leaning against a focal wall. To maximize light, position mirrors in areas where natural light shines, to reflect the light to more dimly lit areas, making the overall space feel brighter throughout the day. For some rooms, decorating with mirrors will seem straightforward, with the design and placement seeming natural. For example, a large, decorative mirror will always look great above fireplace ideas. And there is more to this than its aesthetic. If you're wondering why you should hang mirrors over your fireplace, then feng shui teaching may have the answer. This good-looking trick fills a space with good energy, especially when reflecting your garden, as this will fulfill the creative cycle. Here are the best ideas and rules to decorate your home with mirrors. Places mirrors opposite windows to maximize light. The position is key when it comes to decorating with mirrors. It is especially useful for small living room ideas or small dining room ideas where you are trying to increase natural light in the room. Placing mirrors where the light naturally falls is one of the oldest but best tricks in the book. It enhances the natural light and makes the room appear much larger and brighter. A carefully placed mirror that is opposite a window will echo the natural light and greenery into a smaller room, helping to bring the outdoors in. Consider the glass style as well as the frame. When decorating with mirrors, there are lots of elements to consider. As well as thinking of the style of the frame and its placement, also think about the appearance of the glass. Mirrors are a viable alternative to expensive pictures, and function as works of art in their own right. What most people would call worn out is a joy to others. Where the silvering on a period mirror is very poor and degraded, making it rather redundant as a mirror, it is actually a decorator's dream, and even adds value. Opt for accent mirrored furniture. Decorating with mirrors is not just reserved for oval designs hung on the walls. Mirrors can be integrated into all styles of furniture, from sideboards to bed frames. Each design gives their reflective qualities a new dimension and increases the benefit. Of course, it is important to select your mirrored furniture carefully, or else your look can quickly go from sophisticated to tacky. Keep mirrored furniture to a minimum. It should be an accent piece that is positioned in a prime location. Another consideration is its maintenance. While there are many methods for how to clean mirrors, you don't want to be having to wipe your furniture multiple times a day. Therefore, when considering a piece of mirrored furniture, opt for something that doesn't see a lot of traffic. An occasionally open set of drawers will fare much better than a desk. Also, consider a design that features fretwork or overlays, which breaks up the appearance of the mirror, making it seem more sophisticated, while also disguising streaks and marks. Treat mirrors like artwork. Consider decorating with mirrors in the same way you would add art to your walls. Opt for pretty frames, and consider a layout inspired by gallery wall ideas. Mirrors can be treated like artwork, especially if you find ones that have some architectural details and bold design. Using 3 very sculptural mirrors adds more than just light and reflection into the dining room. It's an easy, low-cost way to create a focal point on a wall and add visual intrigue. Use mirrors to achieve a Decor aesthetic. With shows such as Bridgerton and The Crown as popular as ever, Decor is very of the moment, with homeowners all wanted to add a little bit of elegance to their interiors. Decorating with mirrors is an easy and cost-effective way to embrace the trend. To help create a Decor-inspired design statement, select a large-scale mirror with gilded, intricate framing details. You can lean this on a main wall in a living room or entryway to make it a focal design element and give it a moment of its own within your home. Create a gallery wall of mirrors to create a vignette. Not only is decorating with mirrors great for reflecting light, it can also give you the opportunity to create a vignette, especially when hung as a gallery, creating a light-reflecting, space-enhancing focal point. Round mirrors can also soften a space that's furnished with hard materials, and will be a better fit than square or rectangular pieces on an awkward-shaped wall.